Good morning, student. Today I will teach chapter number 13. Okay, and this chapter name is a magnetic effects of electric current. And today topic is a magnetic field due to current through a circular loop. Okay, so you can see this picture. Okay, and try to understand the topic. Magnetic field lines magnetic field lines of the field produced by a current carrying circular loop. Okay, so student, the magnetic lines of force near each segment of the wire are circular and form concentric circles. The magnetic lines of force near the center of coil are almost straight lines. Okay, a current carrying circular coils behaves like a thin disk magnet whose one face is the north pole and the other is a south pole. So this is a south pole and this is a north pole. Okay, and if the current around the according to the clockwise rules, okay, the polarity of such a thin disk magnet can be determined using with the clock face rule. Okay, according to a clock face rule, look at any of circular coil carrying current. If the current around the face of the coil flows in the clockwise direction, then the face will be south pole. As if the current around the face of the coil flows in the anti-clockwise, okay, anti-clockwise, okay, direction, then the face will be north pole. Okay, so student, this direction showing clockwise. Okay, and this direction shows anti-clockwise. Okay, so the clockwise, the current around the face of coil clockwise, direction. Okay, clockwise direction. So then the face will be south pole. Okay, and the current is, if the current around the face of coil flow in clockwise, sorry, anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise, the direction, the face will be north pole. The direction face will be north pole. Okay, I hope understood. Okay, so student, we have observed the pattern of magnetic field lines produced around current. Okay, so current straight line wire, suppose. Okay, this straight wire is bent in form a circular loop and current passing through it. How would magnet field? Okay, we know that the magnetic field, okay, we know that the magnetic field produced by current carrying a straight wire, okay, depends inversely on the distance from it. Similarly, every point current carrying circular loop, the concentric circles representing the magnetic field around it will become and larger and larger if we have moved away from the figure 13. By the time we reach it, the appear as straight line. Every point on the wire carrying current, okay, would give rise to the magnetic field appear as straight lines at the center of the loop. By appearing as straight lines center loop, by applying the right hand rule, it is easy to check that every section of the wire contributes to the magnetic field lines in the same direction within the loop. Okay, then we know that the magnetic field produced by a current carrying wire at given point depends directly on the current passing through it. Therefore gives if there is circular coil having and turns the field produced is and times as large as that produced by a single turn. This is because the current is each circular turn has to same direction and the field due to each turn then just adds. Okay, you can see activity 13.3. You can see 13.3. okay, take a rectangular cardboard having two holes, insert a circular coil having large number of turns through them normal to the plane of the cardboard. Okay, and connect to end of coil, connect to end of coils. Okay, and coils in series with a battery, a key, and roasted as soon figure 13.9. okay, then sprinkles iron filling uniformly on the cardboards. Plug the key, tap the cardboard gently a few times. Note that pattern of the iron filling that emerge on the cardboard. Okay, so this picture showing activity 13.6. okay, on this picture magnetic field produced by a current carrying circular coil. Okay, student, I hope understood all of you. You can any query regarding this topic you can contact me. Have a nice day. Good day.